Oh, here we go again. Diesel heater line had water in it, I think. So I drained that all. Now just trying to get it to go because it had an E-10 error on it. And now she's blowing smoke. So I had a leak there and I drained it, put a new filter on. Put fuel doctor in it. And it was puffing like anything before. It is starting to puff now, see, so I shouldn't be puffing from there, eh? And the exhaust is hot now, so that it's just got to clear itself a bit, and we should be good. Yeah, sorry. Now I'll go one more. So you can hear the pump. And it's just cooking off the excess diesel. This would be the third time I've got it to this stage. I am keeping an eye inside it, as you know, the bed's up and see what's going on in there. And all this exhaust is coming out, not going in, so see how we go this time. I've checked this as well. This is empty. There's nothing in it. Dust. So I cleaned the air filter out as well, which is there. And that's the line going in, and it's all clear. It was just the fuel. Yeah, I'll plod along with this. Here we go. And let's see. Yep, that is getting hot. Is it blowing hot air, sweetheart? Is it blowing hot air?
Yeah.
It's warm. No, it's doing what it is. It's just got to clear itself. Lucky it's windy where we are, eh? Bye.